I want to ask the question of why should we even use chemicals when we are actively a part of the solution that is reducing that. Out of 3,500 chemical substances potentially used in textile processing, 750 of them have been highlighted as being hazardous to human health. The solution is to inform the consumers on the process, and once that is mature, we cannot market this. We can market the sustainability and the reduction of chemicals. Consumer demands can change through proper advertising and marketing. This is our responsibility as all prominent figures and contributors to the textile and apparel industry. We can create a market for sustainable clothing lines which does not require dyes or chemicals. It is not easy mitigating ambitious demands of consumers who have different fashion requirements, but what we can do is showing or providing them with answers which are not only sustainable but also reduce risk. Reuse or recycling of materials that can provide an acceptable final outcome, fabric or garment for the consumer, is one such proposition that has already matured over the last 10 years. A lot of us, including my own representation through CYCLO recycled fibers, are working with key brands and textile factories on helping in the reduction of usage of chemicals. We do this by a simple mechanical process which is able to produce new yarns from used fabrics or garments. These yarns are then made into fabric and then into garments. In 80% of the cases, no further chemicals or dyes are required. And I would like to conclude by saying that we take whatever necessary steps are there as long as it's sustainable to minimize the use of chemicals or, if possible, eliminate it entirely. Thank you.